Now reception, tricky word boot camp today. We're going to learn our tricky words and we are going to exercise at the same time, because this week we've been using the Bluebirds sort of get active activities, haven't we? Those mountain climbs are still stuck in my head. So what I'd like you to do is I want you to do the tricky word boot camp. So the tricky words we're going to learn this week are the number words. And in reception, you need to be able to recognise numbers 1 to 20, but you also need to be able to read the number words 1 to 10. And that's what we're going to do. We are going to read the number words 1 to 10. That's the challenge. Or the number words 1 to 3. And then if you want to push yourself, 4 to, say, 6. And then the real challenge is all the number words 1 to 10. Because some of the number words are not tricky. 6, let's find 6. I got 6 here. 6 is not tricky. 6 is not tricky. X. 6, we can sound that out. We can blend it. 3 isn't tricky. E. You could read that word just by blending. But look, I put the number by the side. 9 is a tricky word. This letter is tricky. So is that one. So 9 is a tricky word. So from the number words, 1 is tricky. 2, 3. 3 is not tricky, sorry. 1, 2, not 3. 4. 5 is tricky to read. 6 is not. 7 is not. 8 is. 9 is. And 10, N, you could blend that. So out of those, I think there's three words you can blend from 1 to 10. The rest are tricky. Now, you don't have to learn all of the what. It's only to read them. Now, it's not writing them today. We're just reading them. You don't have to do them all 1 to 10. Like I said, you can just focus, say, on 1, 2, 3. I know it's not tricky, but 1, 2, 3. So you know you can read those words like that. You could push yourself and try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you could do the big challenge and try and read the words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, to do this, we need to exercise. So I put the tricky words in here. And like I said, to start you off, it's easy for these, just mum and dad just make these on a piece of paper. I've just ripped up a piece of paper, made these. Put the number by the side because we are only just starting this. I'm picking up, oops, I dropped number 10. We're only just starting this. Let's pick up this, dropped it as well. Oh dear, dropping everything today. There we go. We're only just starting it. So don't sort of make it too difficult. Put the number by the side of the word as well, and then you'll just start getting used to what the word looks like. That's the beginning with tricky words. They're sight words, so you have to look at the word and sort of be able to read it just from sight, because you can't blend. Now, enough talking from me, let's get active. So what I've done is I've put a little activity sheet. I'll attach that to Seesaw, and it says tricky number word activity. So when you see the number word, you have to do that number of activities. So I've got star jumps, I've got lunges, and I've got jog on the spot. So I need to do that. So what I have to do then is I have to, oh, I've dropped it now. You have to pick one out, and like I said, you might just put number words 1 to 3 in the basket. You may want to put all of them in. You may just want to put 1 to 6. That's your must, should, and could. Must is like 1, 2, 3. So let's go. I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to pick up my first one. Oh, 4. So I've got the word 4. So I need to do 4 star jumps. I'm going to put the number by the side. 4 star jumps. Are we ready? I'm going to do 4 star jumps. I'm on a very noisy seat here. 4 star jumps. 4, that's the tricky word. Can you see it? I don't know if you can. I've moved my screen. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. Then I pick out another one. I'll bring my screen over so you can see this a little bit. Can you see that? It's a bit tricky, isn't it? Oh, there we go. 4. So I'm going to pick out another one. Oh my goodness. 9. That word is 9. I put the number there to help you. 9. Oh no. 9 lunges. 9. And I'm going to put the number by the side. 9 lunges. Are we ready? 1. My bones creaking. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo. Last one. Hopefully I get one. 2. That word is 2. It's tricky because that doesn't make a ooh sound. It's that W, isn't it? That what, sorry. 2. I'm going to write 2 on here. 2, and I'm going to put the number. What have I got to do? Oh, 2 jog on the spot. Now, what does that mean, Mrs. Keegan, jog on the spot? Just jog on the spot to count to 2. 1, 2. Easy. So I want you to play that. You can play it as many times as you want. You can play, you can decide on your own activities. You can decide whether you want to just concentrate on trying to read the numbers 1 to 3, like I said, or 1 to 6, or challenge yourself and do 1 to 10. And just keep playing it over the next few weeks, and you will soon get used to what the word, to be able to read the word. Like I said at the beginning, put the number and then slowly start taking the number away so you just are able to read the tricky word. Have fun, get exercising and get learning those tricky words. Bye bye.